Welcome to Alicia's Life Journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Today I'm doing a video on how to turn oatmeal into oat flour. So it'll be like a healthier option so you can make and cook different things with oat flour instead of wheat flour. So you just put in a food processor or a blender. And you see the oats? So you get like the old-fashioned rolled oats. And you see that the blender or food processor is really working it in.
I show you all around. If there's anything left in this town, if I said the things you want me to, might lead to someone else but you.
Now we are to the part where we scoop out the oat flour and put it in a mason jar. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just scooping out the flour, the oat flour, and putting it in a mason jar to store at room temperature. I'm doing a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway once I reach 280 subscribers because unfortunately I didn't make my prior goal of 250 subscribers because I kept losing them before I did the live stream. So the details are going to be below of how to do that gift card giveaway, how to enter in. And yes, I really do have this Amazon gift card that I've been holding for about 3 months now, and I'm ready to give it to a lucky winner on the live stream.